me open it. So here we get what? Nothing special. A charging cable and an adapter with it, as expected. I'm not opening it harshly, but it's kind of difficult for me to open it by the help of a single hand. So don't judge me, okay? So this is our main laptop. Let me close it, then I'll show you. And so these are also some manuals which you can read, which I don't think anyone reads generally. So yeah, let's put this aside. This is the main thing for which I paid my hard-earned money. So yeah, wait, let me open it. So are you guys ready to see? This is our ASUS Vivobook. It's kind of violet color. I don't know the exact name of the color because there are a lot of colors similar to each other, but I would say this is the violet color. There was one more option available with the same laptop, which was silver. So silver is kind of way too much common here. So I just purchased the violet one. Let me open it. So yeah, it's kind of difficult to open it by one hand only. So wait, but I'm trying. I'm holding my phone with the other hand, so wait, just give me a second. So yeah, this is the first look of our new laptop, ASUS Vivobook 15, and this is a paper given for the protection of the screen of the laptop. So let me turn it on. Wait. Guys, I have tried for 4 to 5 times. It is not getting turned on. So let me plug the charger into it. Then let me retry. I think maybe it's discharged. So yeah. So now it is getting turned on as I just connected the charger with it. So yeah, let's see. So it's the first look which we can say prima facie. Wait. Yeah, ASUS in search of incredible. So it's getting turned on. And one more thing is to mention is that guys, we don't get any type of fingerprint scanner in this version of ASUS Vivobook 15. There are some different versions of ASUS Vivobook in which we can get a fingerprint authentication, but in this version that's not available for us. So it's kind of bad, but yeah, okay, we'll bear with it. And yeah, you can get one more thing. You can get a privacy shutter for camera. So guys, I'll meet you after setting all of these things, after setting up my laptop. So we'll meet soon, okay? Wait for 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, even after completing a numerous number of steps, we are at this interface right now, almost there. So let's see. So yes guys, this is the first interface of our ASUS Vivobook 15. So let me do some more steps. After completing those steps, I will be continuing this video. So just give me some more time. So yeah guys, let me review the sound quality of ASUS Vivobook 15. So let me play some songs which are no copyright sounds. So let me play. Wait, there's an ad. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And through the wastelands, through the highways, and we'll go.
So I would say that the sound quality is not as much as we expected. Let me show you one more thing, guys. 4K video on this particular laptop to check the quality of colors, to feel the colors. So the colors are amazing, guys. So the quality of the screen is as per the expectations, and that's it. I don't think so that there's much left to review about this laptop. Overall laptop is amazing. If you want to purchase this laptop, you can definitely go for it. If you want to purchase this laptop for day-to-day activities, it would be a best option for you. But if you are considering this laptop for gaming or something else, I would not recommend you this one, because this is basically designed for the main purpose of corporate life works, and for the students to day-to-day operations. And if you are a gamer, then you should consider different laptops. I would say you should consider ASUS Tough Gaming over this one. But if you are a student and you are searching for a laptop which would be best for your day-to-day tasks, and also if you want to consume a little bit content on the internet, this would be the best choice for you. So go for it without even thinking twice. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. And if you want me to make a video on how to set up different things on laptop, so please let me know in the comment section. Thank you, guys.